Sir, I am the new assistant.
Oh, you are Karthik Kumar? Welcome to Indian Railways. Here is your appointment letter.
Thanks, sir.
Shouldn't you be reporting for first day training? Who is your reporting officer?
Sir, I think it's someone called Sakidar.
Oh well.
Are you Karthik Kumar?
Yes, sir.
You are late.
Sir, I went to collect my appointment.
I do not want any excuses.
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Now get in quickly. We do not have all day. I do not know what they taught you at the Loco Pilot Academy, but here, you do things my way. Push the throttle then. Now keep going and reach a speed of 40. Do you think you can handle more speed? Okay then. Quickly speed up to 60. Some more. Not bad at all, Karthik. I will take it from here. Just the beginning, Mr. Kumar. There's a lot you need to do. I have something for you.
What is it, sir?
Here is your email.
Thank you, sir.
And here is your walkie-talkie. Keep this safe and with you at all times.
Thank you, sir.
I will teach you how to use it.
Oh, 65.
Bingo!
Oh, 75.
Double bingo! Bingo!
G54.
Blackout bingo!
Oh look, it's Karthik Dhandapani.
Hey Rajiv, I don't why you keep calling me that when you know my name is Karthik Kumar.
You are Karthik Kumar to others. To me, you will always be a Dhandapani. Anyway, what are you doing here? I didn't
I have joined work here.
I didn't know they were hiring.
Haha, very funny.
What? You?
You haven't changed.
See you around.
I see that you arrived on time.
Yes, sir.
What was that man?
Who Rajiv, sir? Nothing, we studied together. He was my senior at the academy, sir.
I trained him too. Hope you are better than him. I hope you remember what you learned yesterday. Always blow horn before leaving. Good. Now depart from station and attain the speed of 40. Good. Now keep going and reach Arakona.
What was that, sir? Sir, did I do something wrong?
No, that wasn't you. Somebody pulled the alarm. Take out your walkie-talkie and do as I say.
Attention loco pilot. This is the guard.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain. Check immediately.
Who pulled the chain?
Who else pulled the chain?
What was their seat number?
They were traveling without ticket, sir.
Okay, I will inform the loco pilot. Thanks. The chain was pulled in S4 coach. I have reset the ACP. Ready to leave now. Can you submit report to the RM?
I will.
You handled that very well. I am working on speed testing a new top secret loco. The trials are scheduled tomorrow.
That sounds really fascinating, sir.
It is. I want you to take part in it and assist me. I hear the minister will be coming for inauguration.
This is very exciting, sir.
So be here at 8 am sharp tomorrow. You will meet.
Satada sir said you may not.
I was late one time, but he will never stop mentioning that, I guess.
First impression,
Hi. Karthik. Is there anything
we are performing the final trial. If today's test goes,
What is the current record?
the current speed record is 206 kilometers per hour in 60 seconds.
That sounds very.
Yes. Look. Let's get into the.
The route is cleared for us. All speed limits are disabled. Our goal is to break the speed record in 45 seconds or less. Kavitha, when I tell you, start the countdown. Karthik, as soon as the timer starts, push the throttle to full. Are you both ready? On my countdown. 3, 2, 1, start. Loco 3, will have Danny. Final page soon get to the start. The Loco is ready for start. Everyone,
Thanks, sir.
Station Master we should start preparing for inauguration. Hello Karthik.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Your voice sounds bad.
I am not feeling well. I am afraid I can't be there for the inauguration tomorrow.
But, sir, you are being felicitated. You were looking forward to this day so much.
Such is life. You
Sir,
must. Station master suggested Rajivar's name, but I insisted it must.
I don't.
In the morning, go to my office and pick up the suit I stitched for the inauguration.
For the last 6 months, after multiple trials and due to tireless work of our engineers, we successfully completed the under the guidance of together they have since Santidas. Now I will travel from Bangalore.
Good morning, Beta. I have always wanted to travel in the Loco cabin. My dream has finally come true. Is that the horn? Shall I press it? Aha! What an an awesome sound. How do you guys drive in rain, Beta? Point me to the wiper. I will turn it on. It's quite cool. You can turn it off now. Beta, is this the headlight? Wow! So bright even during daytime. Thanks for indulging me, Beta. My curiosity got the better of me.
You're looking for a